This is the Iron Trader. It's Monday and this is midday trading. Today we're going to take a look at the dollar and the VIX. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the dollar. You have your daily and your weekly chart. Now, it had a really nice run up all the way from 89.53 all the way to 114.77. So let's see what's happening with this today. Okay, so the dollar came down, sold right on off, rallied up a little bit higher, and now you're down here below these moving averages. But it jumped here above this 8 SMA here, right now sitting at 102.19. That's always a good sign. Then what we have next, if it goes higher, we want to look at this 21. SMA here. That's sitting at 102.97, and then the 50-day at 103.48, and then obviously your 100-day here at 103.95. Now you're coming into some big resistance here on your weekly chart, because if you look at this 8 SMA and this 21, see how it's pushing down below. So these are pretty much tied together. So you're looking at 103.67 that it needs to close up. Then you got a shot at going to this 105.85. But when you look at here, see, you came down, you put in a low here of 182. Now you put in a higher low here of 101.47. Okay, so if that 101.41 is lost, then you come down to the 182. And then what would you do is you'd be looking, the big target would be this 97.91. That would be your 200 SMA here on your weekly chart. So what you have here is you got a higher low, but what you need is it just needs to either power up to give the retest here of this candle, or maybe even hit up this here to this 200-day at 106.47. But just remember, commodities, as the dollar rises, commodities will come off, and vice versa. All right, here we have the VIX. Now, the VIX shot right on up here. This was all the banking, all the bankruptcies, and all this bank stuff. So then it rocketed right on up. Market came down. Now it came down, but you're holding this, basically this channel. So if you look on the bottom, you're looking roughly around $18. See how it all held this support right here. You're looking at right around $18. Now on the top, if you look at this, you got to look at this candle right here. So you're looking at roughly about 20.27. So you're looking at this as a top, and you're looking at that 18. So you got about a $2 swing here. Now, if it happens to break up, then you want to look at the 20.62. You want to look here at this 100 at 21.03, and then the 21-day at 21.60. And then what you want to do is look at this big 200 SMA here sitting at 23.54, and then you could even go as high as what these spike candles are here, also at 25.21 if you get some kind of a bad news. Now, remember, there's going to be the reports coming out, inflation. You got to have CPI all coming out this week, so we need to be careful here, because right now you've got a nice, good sideways range here, going nothing. Market is kind of flat there today. So watch this 18 level here on the bottom. If it happens to go lower, then you can go down to the 17.06 and even down as low as 14.10 if, you know, the market rallies and the VIX will just come right off hard. But, you know, in this kind of a time frame, I think we just want to just go sideways, and then also watch if there's bad news that comes out, inflation is higher than expected. You know, you could just look at all these resistant levels here that are going on here, where this could spike right up, and then always watch these two topping tail candles here, where that could also spike up higher, and that would take the market down lower. Thanks for watching.